And finally, Calgro M3. This one's been around longer. I think it's been listed since about 2008.
Yes.
It's more in the kind of mixed housing development. It's got developments like in Vleerhof, which is out in the Soweto area. It's building lots and lots of houses across the board, and it's a big player in that market below where people have to pay transfer duties, which is now up to about R1 million. Market capitalization 2.7 billion rand, PE ratio 13.34. It's not showing a current dividend yield. Let's go straight to share price. It's done nicely, and certainly you've got to hand it to these guys. They've done well in an environment where others have collapsed.
Yeah, this is a lovely business, and there are two reasons why these guys do particularly well and much better than the other low-cost home builders. Firstly, they've got the entire supply chain. Again, they do infrastructure and they do top structures. They don't just do one or the other, and they are very keen on their workmanship throughout that kind of supply chain. So you get good quality, low-cost housing. Then they don't only build government housing, they build subsidized housing, and they build low-cost housing.
They spend a lot of time working with the government, though, clearly, as getting subsidies for land acquisition and for new home buyers and corporates.
Yes.
So a lot of the dense negotiation going on there, obviously.
Yeah, but I mean, still, you still get people buying their own homes. You get people buying cheap homes that are subsidized by government, and then you get people who get free homes from government. And they don't just build the houses and leave. They have they build little shops, they build schools, they build creches, they build a church. So they're actually building communities rather than just building houses. And that's what really differentiates this company from everyone else.
Okay, but they have had periods of earnings volatility as a function of whether one project's doing well or coming off plan well, and so on and so forth. Plus, dealing with a government is always tricky. Every time there's an election or a change of minister, everything goes bananas. We've only got 1 minute of show left. We can dispense with the investment of the day thing. So let's just get to this one. It sounds like you're going to tip hot.
Yeah. We still like this counter. It's one of our favorite mid-cap to small-cap picks. It hasn't done anything over the last year, so it'll have to be a hot.
Excellent. Nicely summarized. We can go hot on that one, certainly with plenty of opportunity, notwithstanding a little bit of a volatile one, potentially, though.